Okay, so I have already cut the nails down because I didn't want them to be that long, and I already buffed them and filed them. So now I'm just going to put one coat of red polish on there, and then I'm going to come back and put a second coat, but I will put the second coat on each nail one at a time and then dip into the glitter. So yeah, I'll come back when necessary. I'm not going to talk the whole time. So here I've already applied a second coat of polish to one nail, and which is this one right here, and I poured the glitter into the cap. I'm just going to pour it onto the nail. This is the first method I tried. You're going to see the second method in just a second. And yeah, just make sure you tap off the extra excess glitter, and if you need more, just apply more before the polish dry completely. So yeah, just pour it and just like shake the extra glitter off. And I think I dipped it a little bit. So now I'm applying the second coat to this one. That's what I meant by applying the second coat one at a time. So here I'm gonna dip it into the glitter. I poured a little more because I needed some more. So yeah, I didn't press down too hard. Like, do not press down hard. You really just like sitting it into the glitter, like that's all. So yeah, those are the two methods I tried, and you guys can just continue watching. Okay, so this is how the nails look after applying the glitter, and then I let them sit for about maybe 10 minutes, and then I'm just gonna like dust off the glitter with a little brush. I did let them sit for about 10 minutes because you want the glitter to dry a little bit. You don't want to, you know, take off too much glitter. So yeah, I'm not even brushing hard. I'm brushing very lightly, and the glitter was really already dry, so really nothing was coming off. But I just did this step just, you know. So now we are done with the glitter, so I'm just gonna scoop it back into the container. You know, take your time. You don't want to waste any glitter, so yeah. So now I'm taking a top coat and applying it to the nail. I did go over it twice with the top coat after this. After allowing the first top coat to dry a little bit, I did come back. I think I'm gonna show that. I'm not sure because my my storage was full, so I didn't record everything. But yeah, just apply this and then allow that to dry for a bit, and then come back and apply some more. And then the next day, because I did allow these to dry overnight, the next day I came back and I buffed the nails because I wanted to make sure that the nails were super dry. So I did come back the next day to buff the nails, you know, get that texture of the glitter off to smooth them out. And then after buffing them, I applied another layer of top coat. You guys will see that towards the end of the video, but just continue watching. So here you did see me grab a different top coat. This is just a different brand, and I was practicing with these nails, so with the next 5 I just chose to use a different top coat just to test it out. So yeah. So now it's the next day, and here I am buffing the nails, you know, just to smooth them out, because you could see the texture of the glitter. Like if you touch the nail, you would feel it as well, but it just looked different. So of course I wanted to buff the nails, but I waited until they was completely dry. So yeah, that's all I'm doing here. So on the right the nails are buff, and on the left they are not. So now that all the nails are buffed, we're going to add another layer of top coat, and we're just going to let these dry for however long until whenever I apply them to my nails, because these are for me, you know, I'm just testing them out because I am going to be starting a press-on nail company business, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, just continue watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.
Hop about the